Google AdSense is a program that allows website owners and content creators to monetize their online content by displaying relevant ads. It's important to note that Google's products and interfaces may change over time, so it's always a good idea to check the latest instructions from Google directly. However, I can provide you with general steps to create a Google AdSense account and use it. Creating a Google AdSense account. Eligibility check. Ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria set by Google AdSense. For example, you must have a website or app with original content, be of legal age to enter into a contract, and comply with Google's policies. Sign up. Go to the Google AdSense website https://www.google.com/adsense and click on Sign Up Now or Join Now button. Account setup. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have any. Follow the instructions to set up your AdSense account. Website app information. Provide the necessary information about your website or app, such as the URL, language, and the platform on which it operates. Content type. Choose the type of content you want to monetize, such as a website, games, videos, etc. Account review. Google will review your application to ensure it complies with their policies. This process may take a few days. Ad code installation. Once your account is approved, you will receive an AdSense code. Place this code on your website or app to start displaying ads. Using Google AdSense. Ad units. In your AdSense account, you can create different ad units of various sizes and formats. You will get HTML, JavaScript code for each ad unit, which you need to place on your website where you want the ads to appear. Ad types. Google AdSense supports various ad types, including display ads, text ads, responsive ads, and more. You can choose the type that best fits your website's layout and audience. Performance reports. AdSense provides detailed performance reports that show how your ads are performing. You can view metrics such as clicks, impressions, revenue generated, and more. Customization. You can customize the appearance of your ads to match your website's design and ensure they blend well with your content. Payment. AdSense offers various payment options, and you can set up your preferred payment method in your account settings. Payments are usually sent out monthly if you reach the minimum payment threshold. Compliance. It's crucial to comply with Google's policies to avoid any violations that could lead to account suspension or termination.